Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a demo review unboxing of this case. This is the iPhone 14 series crystal clear case from CaseKoo. CaseKoo makes excellent cases for all the iPhones. This particular one is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which you see down there. I'll be putting it on that phone in just a minute so you can see it on the phone. But first, I just want to take a quick look at the case itself. Just so you know, in the nice box, you get this cool stickers from CaseKoo, as well as this nice stand that you can use with the case. Nice little stand you can take with you and use. And then, of course, you get the case itself. Now, a couple things I want to point out right at first. First, you get this air cushions. These little air cushions are in all the corners, and those really help protect your phone in case of a drop, and if it hits the corner, those little air cushions help there. Now, I'm going to take this film off of this so you can see just how crystal clear this is. I'm going to hold it all the way up to the lens, put my hand right there so you can see how that is through the lens. You can see it's perfectly crystal clear. So a nice clear finish there to really let the beauty of your iPhone 14 series phone shine through. So again, this is the 14 Pro Max that I have here. I'm going to get that in the case. Goes in really nice and easy. And you can see you've got this nice clear border now around it. You've got very protected. You've got raised bezels. So let's take a look. First of all, just see how clear that case is. So this allows your phone to shine through just as if you didn't have a case on it, which is great. And this is a fairly thin case, so easy to hold. It's not going to add a lot of bulk, but it is going to give you protection, which is excellent. Let's take a look at the camera bump. You can see very raised, slightly flared bezel around the camera bump. Even if you lay your phone down on the back, your cameras will be protected, which is great. Also around the front edge, you've got that nice, see that nice clear raised bezel all the way around the front. So that's going to protect the front of your phone as well. Even if you lay your phone down face down, your screen won't be touching because of that raised bezel, which is nice. Now you've got covers for your buttons here. Nice and easy to access them though. Very tactile feel. You've got a great cutout for your silent mode button right there. On the other side over here, nice cover and easy to access button for power. Down on the bottom, you've got great cutouts for your speakers as well as for your lightning port. Nice wide cutout for your lightning port so that you can fit whatever charging cord you have in there without any issues. And you can see you have this sort of a cutout. You've got the CaseKoo logo right there, and then it's not a cutout, but it's just a slight sort of a divot here on the bottom that just helps for gripping, makes it slightly thinner around the place where you would grip it. So really great, fits in the hand really well. And again, you can see you've got those nice air bubbles there, or air cushions, in all the corners to really make sure that your corners are protected. It is the most dangerous place for your phone to hit if you were to drop it, and so they give you that extra protection there. And then most importantly, your phone shines through. These are crystal clear cases. These are non-yellowing cases, so they will last. You're not going to 2 months from now, 3 months from now, have an ugly yellow case. This case is going to stay nice and crystal clear for a very long time. Really protect your phone, and it's nice and grippy, holds well in the hand, so I love that. Really, another excellent crystal clear case from CaseKoo for the iPhone 14 series phones. Again, this is the Pro Max, 14 Pro Max here, and you can see it just fits great, looks great, and really excellent case. Definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.